I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out.
Hey you all, welcome back to our channel. Renee, say hi.
Hi.
Afternoon. Hey. So we're here in the kitchen. I'm baby Renee. You guys know she's my handbag. Baby Renee has refused me to do anything, so I'm always carrying her around. I want to go to the front of the house. They're actually working on goats or something. I think we have like a full goat that was killed, oh my god, and slaughtered. Rest in peace. But we have to eat it. So I want to go and check. I want to go and then check how they are working on the goat and what they'll do with the goat bone. Yeah, let me take you guys there now. Hey guys, I'm back. So they are done with the goat meat. I wanted to show you guys like what it looks like now after drying and everything. They dried it with I think some Maggi, salt, and a little dried pepper. So let me show you. It's more like, it's looking like sear, but it's not sear. Let me open this window so we have better lighting. So it's about 2 hours later and they are done with the goat meat, and they are done drying the parts that I'll be using to cook within the week. And I have some fresh fat that I would also use. Oh guys, look at my hand, I hurt myself. So I have some fresh fat that I'll also use to make pepper soup. I'll show you guys that. But first of all, let me show you guys what the dried goat meat looks like, and yeah, basically, and maybe if I use them within the week, I'll definitely show you guys what I'll prepare with them as well. Like as you can see, it is looking very delicious. You can actually eat it like this. It's going to taste more like sear, goat sear. So I love this fat, guys. So this is what it's looking like. Fresh one I will use now. I want to use some of it, just very little of it, to make a pepper soup because I'm craving goat meat. So that's what I like to use whenever I have fresh food like this. Whenever I have opportunity of yeah, like the whole food, like, I like to use some of the intestine and some other strategic parts for what is it called? Pepper soup. Okay. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do now. So here we're going to start with onion and pepper. So I'm going to blend the pepper. And I wanted to blend the onion, but I noticed that whenever I have blended onion in my pepper soup, it tends to be very thick. I don't want a thick pepper soup, so I might just cut this into 4 and throw in the coconut. Guys, I already put everything on fire, so I'll just wait for it to cook for like 15 to 30 minutes, and yeah, I'll just test it. If everything is okay, then it's very fast, like sharp dinner. I like eating pepper soup with gari. I don't know if you guys eat that. I know that there are some places that they don't know what it is. Like if you have not tried goat meat pepper soup or catfish pepper soup with gari, then give it a try to have for dinner. But before then, I already washed my hands because, guys, this goat is impi. I think that's what they call it, right? those native goats, those smelly native goats. So that's what this goat is. So I had to use this aloe vera and lotus astonish hand wash for the smell to go off. It was that bad. You guys know that goat meat, if you don't take care, like there are some goats that after you finish eating or touching, you start smelling like goat yourself. So you have to be very careful.
Just as words out of context mean little, it's the story that counts.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out. When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and all I did was resent you.
See what we have here? Hey Renee, say hi. See what we have here? We have baby Renee here. And just help me. Thank you. Let me show you guys my farm. I need a bowl, please. Okay, I don't need a bowl. I'll just take as much as little. These are the scent leaf. As you guys can see, they are very fresh. So I don't know how to cut this stuff. I'll just take as little as I want because I don't really want so much. So this will be enough for my person.
I was thinking about way back when I thought I had it figured out. When I thought that I knew what to do and I didn't need you. I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want.
So guys, I'm done cooking and this is how the food turned out. I can't wait to test it. Like, I'm very hungry. The smell in my kitchen is heavenly. Like, this goat meat is really good. It's a native goat meat, so you should expect it to smell very well. And yeah, I'll just dish for everybody and we're all going to eat and have some taste of this deliciousness because guys, this kitchen is just, the aroma here is something else. Okay, if you enjoyed this, let me know. And okay, there's something I want to also ask you guys. If you guys eat your eba with pepper soup, whether fish pepper soup, goat meat pepper soup, or gari pepper soup, let me know down in the comment section because I eat my eba with pepper soup. Like, it's been a long time I ate it. I love it. I love eating eba with pepper soup, whether chicken, whether goat meat, whether fish, fresh, anyone, dried. I like eba or pounded yam with pepper soup. If that is what you guys eat also, like if you guys eat it in your place, let me know as well because I noticed that there are some people that don't like it at all. They don't know how to eat eba with pepper soup, but I eat it. I just dig hole in the middle and use it to fetch the pepper soup. And yeah, basically that is it for this video. I'm going to end this video. This whole thing happened today, so it's just going to be like how will I name this one? It's going to be today is what, Saturday, right? It's Saturday in my life. Cook with me Saturday. Last time was cook with me Sunday, so this is cook with me Saturday. And today I made goat meat, pepper soup, and gari. That's what we're going to have for now. What time is it? It's about 5:52. It's about 5:52 p.m. and this is when we're having dinner. I'm supposed to have eaten dinner before now, but for some reason it took this time, so it's okay. I have to eat it now, and I'll talk to you guys probably in my next video. Okay, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys a lot. Till I see you in my next one. Okay, bye. Thank you.